As Nicholas mentioned, Cesium's platform and application is not the only geospatial capabilities we're bringing to Bentley. And to tell you more about that and this new strategic partnership with Google, I'd like to invite Yael Maguire to the stage, Vice President and General Manager of Google Maps Platform and Geosustainability. Welcome, Yael. Yael, thank you for joining us. Welcome to Year in Infrastructure. We're happy to have you here.
Thanks, Julian. I'm happy to be here. It's great to be here.
Cool. So, can you tell us a bit more about your role at Google first?
Yeah. So a bit about me. My teams are passionate, really passionate about helping developers, enterprises, and cities build powerful experiences with our mapping data. Google has spent the last 2 decades building a comprehensive and up-to-date map of the world. It includes everything like live traffic, street view, and immersive experiences to finding information about millions of places. We package this rich information about the world in Google Maps and make it available to an entire ecosystem of developers and cities so that they can accomplish their goals and reach their own customers in new ways. All of this information is available in Google Maps Platform and in products like Google Earth and Google Earth Engine, which help researchers and organizations track and measure changes on the Earth's surface.
Very impressive. So this morning we've talked a lot about openness, and I know Google is a big supporter of open approaches. Can you tell us a bit more about your commitment to openness at Google?
Absolutely.
And in your teams?
Yeah. So at Google, our mission is to make information about the world accessible and useful for businesses, developers, and cities. So here are a few ways we do this. So let's take transportation. The world is constantly in motion. Trains and buses come and go, and schedules change. To reflect this ever-changing information in our maps, we leverage a standard we helped to create, the General Transit Feed Specification, which is an open standard in order to bring up-to-date information around transportation to users. I use this myself every week in San Francisco. So another example is Google Earth Engine, which I mentioned earlier, helps researchers and organizations track and measure changes in the Earth's surface. It includes a global catalog of petabytes of open information like surface temperature, weather, and land cover. The Earth Engine user community has leveraged these data sets to do amazing and impactful things. So as an example, SC Johnson used Earth Engine to create a publicly accessible and predictive model for mosquito populations in the United States. And this is publicly accessible. And then my favorite, of course, is 3D tiles. So I hope you all remember when Google Earth first launched, and you could swoop into canyons and city skyscrapers. So now developers can take that breathtaking realism directly into enterprise applications using photorealistic 3D tiles from the Google Maps platform. And in order to deliver our 3D rich content to help businesses in a wider class of industries build powerful experiences, we adopted the 3D tiles open standard. We've integrated this into Cesium, which will bring the power of 3D context to more users in the infrastructure industry.
I love it. And it's amazing to see all the great applications that have already been developed using those 3D tiles. You know, many developers in the Cesium community already know what they can do with that, but maybe for the Bentley users, our community in there, can you tell us a bit more how Google is actually using that technology in some of your products already today?
Sure. So first off, photorealistic 3D tiles format is also used in Google Earth, and this is using a widely adopted standard from the Open Geospatial Consortium, created by none other than Cesium. And adopting the standard has unlocked a new level of rapid innovation and product development for various product and engineering teams. Now, we have our 3D imagery available for over 2,500 cities and 49 countries. We offer this to an ecosystem powered by Cesium, including Cesium.js, Unreal, Unity, and NVIDIA Omniverse. So developers can use Cesium Ion to combine their own 3D geospatial data to build richer infrastructure planning and design experiences within this Google 3D context. We can't wait to see what the Bentley user community is going to do with this rich information.
Indeed, indeed. So at Google, you've also created this digital twin of planet Earth, right?
Yes.
And you've mentioned earlier all of those data sets that are being made available to Google Earth Engine, and we can see the potential of bringing all of that data into different products. What do you see? Can you talk about the rich 3D geospatial context and how that data can be used in Bentley products and ecosystem?
Yes, thanks. So we're excited about the opportunity. First, we have a fresh, rich, up-to-date model of the world that we offer to more than 1 billion users worldwide. That's done through Google Maps and Waze, and we make this available now for developers, cities, and automakers through our Google Maps platform. We believe the map is alive. This is about 250 million places around the world, in over 250 countries, millions of buildings that are mapped. We provide live traffic information, details about air quality and pollen, and even rooftop solar potential on hundreds of millions of buildings worldwide. Immersive experiences are at the forefront of the work that we do with 3D tiles, and we want developers to create breathtaking, immersive, photorealistic experiences in the world. It can transform workflows for architects, engineers, and urban planners. We're excited to partner with Bentley to bring powerful geospatial context and capabilities that can transform how you improve how infrastructure is designed, built, and operated with data.
I got a million ideas already popping up in my mind about what we could do with all of that data. This is really exciting, and I believe this will significantly improve our users' design, build, and operate infrastructure, and as well accelerated our development roadmaps and community, right? So thank you again, and we're delighted to have you join the effort.
Thank you. Couldn't agree more.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.